17 months ago, I was literally Googling how to make money online. And now, just this past month, I had over a $44,000 month. In this video, I'm going to debunk the 5 myths about making money online that I was literally falling for. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did to go from confused and overwhelmed to a business that gives me real freedom and flexibility. So whether you're brand new or already dabbling a little bit in the digital space, this video will break down the steps that I took to create multiple income streams using a method that literally anybody can start, even with zero experience. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to choose a digital product strategy that actually pays, set up a freebie that builds your email list and why that's important, use a free system to automate your sales, even if you're sleeping or at the campground like I am, pick the best platform to grow your income, and discover the #1 most in-demand skill set that you need to make money in 2025 and how to start learning it without overwhelm. So grab a bevy, get comfy, and let's dive in. My name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and I was literally short for retirement and desperately trying to figure out how to earn money online. I was trying this, that, and the other thing, stumbling around for like 5 years. It wasn't until February of 2024 that I actually found something that worked. So if you want to download my exact Freedom Formula blueprint that literally helped me go from zero to now making money online, then you can grab it in the description below. Myth #1, you need a big audience to make money online. The truth, you just need something valuable to sell. Even with 0 followers, you can start. Whether it's a product, a program, or a service, you need an offer. So let's walk through the 4 common online income paths that you can take, and I'll share the one that actually worked for me. So you can start with physical products like Amazon and Etsy and drop shipping. Those are familiar and they're tangible. But the negative part is you need inventory, you need to do shipping, and you really create a tiny profit. It's not a dream. Then you can start with your own digital product like a course, ebook, or templates. Full control, you get 100% profit, which is awesome, but it can be a little overwhelming if you're building it from scratch, especially if you're a newbie just starting out. Then there's affiliate marketing. Now, there's no need to create anything yourself, but you earn less and you're tied to someone else's offer. I personally still use affiliate marketing today. It's a great way to add bonus income stream. Then there's the master resale rights route. And honestly, that's the path I chose eventually. It's a done-for-you digital product. It's ready to sell and you make full profit. The only downside is you have to pick a good one. And not all of them are created equal. So I found out. This was a game changer for me because I didn't have to figure it out alone and I could finally earn while I learned, which was great. If you're curious about how it all works, you can grab the same Freedom Formula blueprint that I used to get started. It's free and it's just in the link below. But none of all these things matter if you really skip the next step. You know, people miss this, and for years I didn't do it, and that's what cost me moving forward and actually making money. Myth #2, social media is all you need to grow your business. The truth is, if Instagram shuts you down, your whole business disappears unless you have an email list. So once you got something to sell, you need a way to consistently talk to people who care. That's where your freebie comes in. It's a small, high-value resource that you give away in exchange for somebody's email address. Think something like a guide, a checklist, or a 5-minute video. Like nothing crazy, just something that gives your ideal audience a quick win and some value. Here's why it's non-negotiable. You don't own TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. If they shut you down tomorrow, your entire business is gone unless you've got that list. This is my actual capture page. The best part is it came completely done for me. I didn't have to write a word of it. I didn't design it. I just uploaded it with one click and boom, it was live. That's the power of getting a done for me business model. Every time somebody opts in, they get emails sent automatically, emails that explain the program that I'm using. They answer frequently asked questions and guide people through a process. Just last week, I got a reply from one of those emails. They couldn't believe that a real person wrote back to them because I replied to all my emails and answer everybody's questions. There's zero pressure, no awkward DMs, just automation doing its thing. And honestly, once I added this step, everything changed. That's how I was able to make money while I'm here at the campground this past weekend. So how does automation actually work and what tools make it so easy? Well, let's go there next. So myth number 3, making money online means working 24/7. Truth, automation is what gives you time freedom, and it's easier than you think. Once people join your email list, it's time to activate your freedom machine. That's what I like to call it. It gives me my freedom. This is the part that runs 24/7. So, like while I'm camping, while I was playing with my grandkids, and while I'm living life, I use System.io. It's a platform that powers my whole funnel. It has my capture page, my email sequencing, my sales pages, and it's absolutely free for your first 1,000 subscribers. Now, it's not hard to use, but like anything new, it takes a little bit of time to learn. And that's why I chose a done for me program that built everything inside System.io for me. I got a pre-built website, a converting capture page, automated emails, full training on how to plug and play, like a complete business in a box. That was the moment that this business finally clicked for me. And when I saw my first automated sale come through, I was like, woo, it works. So if you're more of a visual learner, then check out the free class that I have below. It kind of shows you exactly how this works behind the scenes. You're going to think it's so cool. I did. But none of this matters unless people see your offer. So let's talk about the different platforms that you can use. Myth number 4, you need to be on every single platform to succeed. No. The truth is, I always say focus on one platform like YouTube. You can grow your income for years to come. I started with TikTok and it worked. But over the last 6 months, I've really focused on YouTube, and here's why. Your content lives longer, months, even years. You can link to your freebies and offers directly. You can see in the description below what I'm talking about. YouTube pays you through AdSense just for creating content. Like, check out this. Like, isn't that amazing? This is what I personally earned last month from this strategy, and my channel is still small. That's like amazing. Like, I can't even believe it. So whether you're into dog training, financial tips, or teaching digital skills like I do, YouTube is a long-term growth platform, and I recommend it every single time to people. But again, none of this works unless you have that one last piece. Myth number 5, good products sell themselves. No, the truth is, without digital marketing skills, even the best product won't sell. It'll just sit there and collect dust. You can have the absolute best product, you can have automation, and you can have the platform, but if you don't understand how to connect with people, you won't make sales. Digital marketing is the number one most in-demand skill set for 2025 and beyond. It's how you attract, convert, and serve people in this noisy online world. That's why Forbes says that you need to learn this skill set because that's what's going up. When I finally found a program that didn't just teach me what to do, but gave me the actual tools to do it, boom, it all clicked for me. All the templates, the resale rights, the pre-built funnels, tools like System.io, all connected. And the live support and mentorship and community, like that was the real game changer. An education that made sense, finally. After wasting so much time and money, piecing it all together all these years, this program was the light bulb moment that I'd been waiting for. So if you want to see exactly how it works, just watch the free class. Like I linked it below. It lays everything out step by step. That way you can make the best decision for you. This is the system I used to go from working my 9 to 5 to making over $44,000 last month from my phone. It's still what powers my business today. And it's why I now have 13 income streams and more freedom than ever before. So watch this next video right here where I show you how I scaled from zero to over $650,000 in just over a year, retired from my 9 to 5, and how you can start today with a blueprint that's been a total game changer for me and so many others. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.